So today I'm going to show you guys how to put this little how to make like a fur top jacket or whatever. And actually that's how it's gonna look, but actually I'm going to distress this jacket first. So I'm gonna go downstairs and bleach this jacket and distress it a little bit. I actually distressed it up here. Yes, I'm just gonna put some little buttons. Here are my buttons. All you need is like buttons, some scissors, and some sewing things. That's just a little sewing kit. But basically this little piece, you can get it from like Michael's or something like that, but I actually got mine from the thrift store and it already had like these little things on here, so I'm assuming that it came off the top of a jacket and they just kind of sold it separately. I think I got it for like $1. Oh yeah, I could put that on the top of a jacket, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and distress it first and then bleach it, and then show you how I sew the thing on top of it. So let me go ahead and start distressing it. I just made like little holes all in the jacket, and it doesn't have to be cute right now because I'm gonna bleach it and then throw it in the washer and dryer, and then that's what'll make it really rugged. So let me go bleach it right now so y'all can see. What you doing? So this is jacket after I take it out of the washer and dryer. It's like shredded up just how I wanted it to be. The bleaching process, it went okay. I kind of wanted it all to be one color. But it's cool, no biggie. You just have to make sure when you lay it in the bleach that you kind of lay it in there flat. Because if you don't lay it in there flat, then you'll get some of these like not openings. You'll get some of these dark spots, like the part spots that were probably sticking up out of the water. But I don't mind them. I don't mind them at all. I just wanted it to be all one color mainly, but it's cool. So you just would take like the really shredded parts like this and kind of just cut it off. Like, just take the really shredded parts like that and just like cut it off so it's not like overly shredded. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the buttons on. I'm gonna put the buttons like at the edge of the collar so that you can take this, this thing will be removable. So I'm just gonna take this and put buttons at the edge of the collar so that you can button it right there, like button it in the middle and then button it at the end. So I'm just gonna put 3 little buttons on this so it'll stay. So let me just go ahead and do that. Row. Okay, we're on the way. So I've got one on the end of this collar. I've got one on the end of this collar. And then I got one in the middle. I'm just going to put one more right there. And one more right there. And we'll be done. Oh, I forgot to show y'all how distressed the jacket was. I guess y'all see it when I'm done. Okay, cool. Okay, so I put the 2 more buttons right there. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on real quick. Hold on. Hey, I look a mess. Oh my god, I can't get this. Oh no, honey, I look a mess. It's like Christmas. Alright, I won't do that no more. I'm sorry. I'm violating you. Alright, get up. Whew. Such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing. A vibrant thing. Such a vibrant thing. Vibrant thing. A vibrant thing. Vibrant thing, vibrant thing, a vibrant thing. Hey, give it to me. Just give it to me. You stupid. Girl. Oh, you don't want no more pressure now, huh? table. Set it off in this mother. Set it off. I big money ball. Oh yes, I big money ball. Girl, yes.
Can we go to Mad Rag? No, can we go to the ice cream place next to Mad Rag?
Why?